Number 41. Let's spell the number 41 F-O-R-T-Y-O-N-E 41. Number 42. Let's spell the number 42 F-O-R-T-Y-T-W-O 42. Number 43. Let's spell the number 43 F-O-R-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E 43. Number 44. Let's spell the number 44 F-O-R-T-Y-F-O-U-R 44. Number 45. Let's spell the number 45 F-O-R-T-Y-F-I-V-E 45. Number 46. Let's spell the number 46 F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X 46. Number 47. Let's spell the number 47 F-O-R-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N 47. Number 48. Let's spell the number 48 F-O-R-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T 48. Number 49. Let's spell the number 49 F-O-R-T-Y-N-I-N-E 49. Number 50. Let's spell the number 50 F-I-F-T-Y 50. That's awesome, friends! Now, we know the numbers 41 to 50. Let's practice 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Take care, friends! See you in the next video. Bye-bye!